Hello there, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the TV Bro application on your Android TV, especially without the Google Play Store application. This is very easy. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV, if you don't have the Google Play Store, here's exactly what you should do. On your Android TV, go over to your browser. Now, follow attentively. So you go over to your browser. I'm using my browser because I don't have Google Play Store. On your browser, you are going to search for the name of the application, which is TV Pro. Just go on here and type TV Pro, and here is it in the result. Now, if your TV is an Android TV, you are going to get a result similar to mine on any browser. Any browser is going to work as long as your TV is an Android TV. So in your browser, you're going to get a result like this that leads to the web version of Google Play. As you can see, I can just click over here and install the application to my Android TV without needing the Google Play application. So you can install from here without any issues. Now, if this doesn't work for some reason, you can use other third-party sites like any other options here to install the application without any issues. But this is how you can install the TV Pro application to your Android TV without the Google Play Store app. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.